Hi, welcome to AMS ERP, the finest school management software. On previous video, we discussed about student import. It's about importing a bulk of students to ERP. Now let's discuss about employee import. The process is same as student import. Download the Excel sheet, provide the employee code, name, and other details. All columns marked with yellow and red are mandatory. Save the sheet and submit it. For updating the wrong information, download the extension from here. Give the details of the employees to be changed. Save it and submit. So changes to a bulk of employees can be done with a click. This is all about employee import. Thanks for watching.